Ready to send money across borders with ease? Let's dive into how to make international transfers through Usaa, a secure and reliable way to send money globally. First, log into your Usaa account through their website or mobile app. Once logged in, look for the Transfers or Payments section in the main menu or dashboard. Within the Transfer section, you'll typically find an option specifically labeled International Transfers or something similar. Select this option to begin the process now. You'll likely be presented with different transfer methods. While other options may exist, focus on wire transfers, the primary method for large international transactions with Usaa. Next, you'll need to provide detailed recipient information. This includes the recipient's full name, address, bank name, bank address, account number, and often their SWIFT BIC code. The SWIFT BIC code is crucial as it identifies the recipient's bank. Double-check all this information for accuracy. Even a small error can delay or even prevent the transfer. Before sending, you'll see the exchange rate. Usaa will display the foreign exchange rate, which determines how much of the recipient's currency they will receive, and any associated fees. Remember that exchange rates fluctuate, so the final amount might vary slightly. Review the fees carefully. Understand any service charges that apply. Review your transfer details. We'll see a summary of the transfer, including the amount in US dollars, the equivalent amount in the recipient's currency after the exchange rate is applied to fees, and the recipient's information. Carefully confirm everything is correct before proceeding. Usaa often uses security measures like two-factor authentication, meaning you'll verify your identity through a code sent to your phone or email. This adds an extra layer of security to protect your transaction. After successful confirmation, you'll receive a confirmation number and an estimated delivery date. Keep this number for your records. Also, note that international transfers can take a few business days to complete, depending on the receiving bank and country. With these steps, your international transfer through Usaa successfully submitted.